Hey Spices! With spring here, it has been raining all week and really cold. Therefore, we need a nice warming recipe. So in today's video, we are going to make ham and bean soup. We are going to be making it in the Instant Pot because we are going to be cooking the soup with dried beans. So let's go spice things up. The first thing you want to add to your pot is chicken broth. So you'll want to add 8 cups or 2 of these 32-ounce containers of chicken broth. And then 2 cups of white beans, which is 1 pound. And you want to just rinse them first and make sure there's no rocks or anything. Next, you want to add your veggies. So we're going to add about 1 cup of chopped carrots, 1 medium-sized onion that I already chopped, about 3 ribs of celery, which is about 1 cup as well. Now we are going to add 2 teaspoons of thyme and 2 teaspoons of dried parsley and 2 bay leaves. You'll want to add 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, and you'll want to mince 4 garlic cloves. And now you'll want to add ham. This is just leftover ham that I had from Easter and I put it in the freezer. And you'll just want to add however much you want. We like a lot of ham in ours. Now we're going to put the lid on and turn it on sealing. And now we are going to turn it on the soup broth button, and we want to cook it for 40 minutes. And then we're going to let it naturally release for 15 minutes. Hey Spices, don't forget to like and share this video with your friends or family. Time to release the valve. All right, time to open it up. And then the last thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to break apart my ham pieces, just kind of shred them so that they're smaller. But this smells so good, guys. So good. Hits the spot. Well, if you guys would like to see any more videos, please click this link or this link. If you'd like to subscribe, click my face. And remember, I'm always here to help you make beautiful memories through food. Bye, and see you in the next video.